Start managing your projects. Let's delve into the core of Taskia's functionality by creating new workspaces, sheets, and tasks. These are the building blocks that will enable you to effectively manage your projects. Let's manage our workspaces. A workspace is an area created to manage a specific project. Once logged in, locate the App button on the main page and select Taskia. Select Workspace in the sidebar. When you first start, you will have a default workspace called New Workspace. You can modify the name of your workspace and add a brief description of the project. You can also mark it as one of your favorite projects. Once you create tasks for this workspace, using this view, you can answer questions like how many tasks are in it, how many are overdue, and when the planning starts and ends. Click the Open Right Panel button for more details about your project. You will find different tabs in this view. The General tab indicates the start and end date, whether it's a favorite and a description of the workspace. The Share tab allows you to share this workspace with a Taskia session you have granted using access control. This is your entry point to collaborate with your peers using Taskia. In the Attachments tab, you can add files of interest about your project. To add attachments, click on Select a File. You can locate the file you want on your computer. You can upload files up to 10 megabytes. To create a new workspace, click the Add Workspace button and repeat the steps above. Let's manage our sheets. Every workspace includes sheets that help you visually organize and track tasks based on your preferences. Once your workspace is created, click on the sidebar and select Sheets below. You will find a default sheet associated with your workspace named New Sheet. Click on it, and in the secondary menu, press Edit. Modify the name and description according to your project, and press Accept. Each sheet must be associated with a workspace. Once you create a sheet, you can select the workspace to be associated with it on this screen. Then, you can start creating new tasks. If you need to create a new sheet, simply click on Create New Sheet. Enter the name and description of the sheet and press Accept. Finally, connect this sheet with a workspace. Creating tasks. Once we have our workspace and created a sheet, we can begin creating tasks and subtasks. Click on the button, Add a sibling task, enter the name of your task, and press Enter. You can also create child tasks using the Add a Child Task button. Tasks can be moved around by simply dragging and placing them at the desired level. Taskia works under the concept of hierarchy or a big tree. Therefore, you can have one or more main tasks and associated secondary tasks that respond to the main task. For example, let's work on a sales objective and determine strategies and activities. In Taskia, we have two different ways to remove tasks from our visuals. The first is by deleting a task. To do that, select multiple tasks and click on the Delete Task button. In the dialog box, press Delete. This option completely deletes the task from the current workspace and is irreversible. As an alternative, you can hide a task. Select multiple tasks and click the Hide Task button to do that. In the dialog box, press Hide. These tasks remain within the project. They are just hidden. To show them again, we have two options. The first one is using the Bring Descendancy button if their parents' tasks are available. The second one is by using the Recycle button. This second option will allow you to bring an existing task to the sheet. Be careful, this button only shows the tasks that don't meet the following two conditions. They are not currently painted and their parents or children are not currently painted. Rest assured, if you are in a standard or premium plan, the creation of tasks and subtasks is unlimited. You can add as many as necessary to provide the proper structure and tracking for each project. This flexibility empowers you to meticulously detail the steps and activities necessary to achieve your objectives, ensuring complete control and organization in executing your projects. Ready to start managing your projects while feeling calm and in control? Get started now with Taskia.